एकदम नमस्कार हिनी ल ल
ल है यो महिना आयो दाजु
फेरि अगाडि आउनु
Hello, Happy New Year, and today 1st January. Oh, today we have our very beautiful guests at our home. So, Yani Raza, 3 little angels. They are actually K-pop demon hunters. I don't know the name of the demon hunters. What are the names? Do you know the demon hunter's name? K-pop demon hunter's name?
Rumi, Zoe, Mira.
Rumi
Zoe,
and
Mina.
okay, who is Rumi?
Nita.
Nita. Please introduce yourself. Hello. Hello. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Please introduce yourself. What is your name?
Justin Bieber bên kia.
And where are you from?
That's it.
No, she's lying. Hello. Happy New Year.
Hello, Happy New Year.
What is your name? Where are you from? Okay, she's from Dicklin. And here we have another guest. What is?
Hello, myself, right? I'm from Darjeeling.
Okay. Oh, they don't like chicken soup, they said. So I'm making chicken with gravy.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.